back to the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen on today. In today's video, I will be preparing 2 fall winter teas that I know you will enjoy, all with a apple cinnamon breakfast bread. I call it that because it's not overly sweet, which means it pairs well with your coffee or your tea. Because you know how it is when you're eating something sweet and you drink something sweet, something is going to cancel itself out. So let's get it. Let's go. It's time to bake and make these teas. As always, my full ingredients and directions will be found in the description box below. Now this recipe really works well if you hand mix it, but you know, I just love my KitchenAid mixer, so that's what I like to use. First things first, let's peel and dice 2 Gala apples. Next up, add 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, along with a ½ cup of packed light brown sugar. Mix well with your diced apples and set aside for later. Next, mix a ½ cup of unsalted butter, that's 1 stick of butter, with 2/3 cup white sugar, and then add 2 eggs. Go ahead and sift 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Gently fold your dry mixture into your wet mixture, also adding 1/2 cup of warm milk. Add half of your mixture to a prepared loaf pan. Then top with your apple cinnamon mixture. Add the remaining batter and then top again with the remaining apple cinnamon mixture. Place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until your toothpick comes clean. I'm preparing 2 teas at one time, so hence the different colored pots. But I don't want to confuse you with the recipes, so you know what you have to do. Go down to the description box below for the directions to these teas. I'm making a ginger lemon honey tea and an apple cinnamon black tea. So first up is Mom's tea. I'm simply straining it and mashing the apples to get all of the goodness and the juice out of it. I sweeten it with a little bit of white sugar. A little bit of honey and the juice of a half a lemon, and my ginger honey lemon tea is kicked up a notch because I also added 1 stick of cinnamon. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. And if you're new here, I hope that you already subscribe to the channel, because you know we want you to become a part of my growing Priceless Pearl Life family. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.